Hello and good evening, wherever you are. If it is evening, if it is morning, good morning. If it is daytime, good day. I hope all of us are well and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking on this video on how to install Python. So by clicking, I know that you're interested in starting your journey in software development, and I hope I will be able to share tips and tricks on as you start this journey. So, what is Python? Python is an application that will help you in your software development journey. So, the first step is downloading the application itself, which we can Google Python, and then it will take us to the website of Python. So, welcome to Python. You can click on the welcome to Python, and then you can go to the downloads. For this, I'm using Windows, so we can go to the Windows option. Then Python current edition is 3.10.5, but the other editions, so it depends on your machine and what version you want to run. So for my machine, I can go to my Windows and then to my settings to find out which version is compatible, and then I can go to system, and then after system I can go to about. I hope you have followed. So on about, you'll be able to see the system type. So for my system, it is 64-bit OS and times 64-bit processor. So that is the version that I will be downloading. So I'll go back to the Python. The latest, it's if your machine can handle, it's advisable to use the latest version because it has all the updates. So we can see they have two for 64-bit. We have Windows Embeddable Package, and then we have Windows Installer. So the embeddable package will come with a lot of uh, other applications that you need to unzip, but the installer will just install directly. So for my case, I'll just use the installer because it will be much easier. So just click on it will highlight once you, and then you give it a few minutes. You can see it is downloading on my machine. So as you can see, the download is almost complete. So we just have to wait for a few seconds, and then we'll be able to view our file that has been downloaded. So just 1 second, and then our version will be downloaded. It's an application that will be able to help you to do web development and software development, and also in machine learning and AI. So it's a bit heavy. That's why it's taking some time to download. Okay, so it's almost complete. This is an executable file, meaning that you just install directly from it. So once it's downloaded, I'll just double click, and then it will ask me whether I want to run. I always advise to always ask before opening any type of application. You might want to confirm the source of the application because some are not direct on the website. You might be downloading from a different source. So it's always advisable to check the type of application before you run on your machine. So I'm going to run it, and then it will bring up this pop-up. So you can customize your application or install. The install will come with the most popular uh, selections of what people like. So I can say add to path. I can check under customize whether I need to have PIP selected and ideally select everything so that you can be able to have the full functionality of the software. So I'll just say install now because I am confident that uh, it is the correct version. So it will just start installing directly, and then it will take a few minutes to set up. So the Python application on their website, there are different versions. So if you're collaborating as a team for this application, you might want to know what version your teammates are using so that you can have the same version so that they are compatible. Some applications will be backward compatible, others will be partially backward compatible. So if somebody is using an older version and you're using a newer version, some features might not work as well as they should for both of you if you're sharing. So find out if you are using the similar application to your colleagues so that you're able to share your to use the same functionality and to share your work, that if a colleague sends you a file, then you will be able to open and see everything in that file. So it's just going to take a few minutes to finish installing. So our file has completed installing. So after the installation, they give you a few links that you can use. There is a tutorial on how you can start using the application that you can open and go through. So there are different things. It's a tutorial, so you can learn also from here. Yeah. So that's okay. We have confirmed that our application has been downloaded, so we can simply close that. And then when you come now to your machine, you can see it has downloaded idle, Python, and manuals. So to test what has been downloaded, we just go to the command, and then you can type in Python space hyphen hyphen and then capital V, and then you just enter. You can type in Python space hyphen hyphen and then version and enter. And you can see the version that you have just installed. Okay, so there is your Python. You can start, you can open it up, and then you can start running. You can use this idle, and then you can start running. So you can just print. You'll find a lot of resources to help you learn the coding. So there's the one that you can start with is print, and then in brackets and then in double quotes put hello, enter, and then the application will return the hello that you've just typed in. So that's how to install Python. Thank you for watching this video. Please watch another video on my channel, support me, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.